Please watch the video to the very end to understand every step in this video. If you want to fix Google Chrome, checking password when you log into Google Chrome will show up to you warning, which is checking password. I will show you how to ignore this and fix it. First of all, open Google Chrome, and after that I have this website which is, if I log in right here, what will show up to me is, will show up to me a warning. I will show you right now. Tap on login, and as you see we have this warning which is check your saved password. And if you want to fix this, tap on check passwords and insert your pin, and after that he's checking passwords. Wait a little bit, and after that tap on password checkup and click on the first option, compromised passwords, or if you don't find it right here on the first one, tap on the second one, reused password or weak password. I will click on the first one and scroll down until you find your website you want to log in, spreadshirt.com, which is, I will click on it right here, and from here tap on dismiss warning, and after that you can log in easily. But I recommend you to change the password on this website to save your account and create strong password. And that's it. This is how you do it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.